Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage HDR settings on your ACER Nitro XZ273U monitor. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the power button. Now here, go over to the menu, and here, let's scroll down until we see the picture. Now in here we will have the HDR and we can enable it to auto. As you guys can see, now we've got HDR enabled, but now we cannot change the contrast, black boost, and ACM and the low blue light setting. So it's totally automatic. Now if we want to disable it, let's go to menu. And here, back again in the picture, we can turn it off. As you guys can see, now we can change everything here. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.